everybody. I'm gonna go see Dinner and Simba. Let's see how they react to me. Here we go. Hey, Dinner. Hi, Dinner. Remember me? What's wrong, Dinner? Aren't you happy to see me? Yep, this one is Dinner. Yep, he's the runt of the litter. But we all love him. Now let's go to Simba. Hey, Simba. I know you can't see him, but he's there. Oh, no, quiet, Dinner. Hey, Simba. Shut it, Timber. Yes, I can see you too. Now quiet. Ah! Now back to Simba. Hey, Simba. Dinner. Is he still barking? Yes. Dinner. Will you shut it? Will you? I guess they don't want some attention. What are you barking at? Huh? Ah! You're giving me a headache, Dinner. Shut it! Shut it! Shut it! I'm talking to Simba here. Now let's just ignore him. So, if you guys can't see Simba, well, it's really dark. Shut it, Dinner! Ah! Ah! Oh, God, I can't take it anymore!